Let's see if we can't build some mobility while we increase our core stability, our balance, our strength, all in this low impact rebounder workout. Let's just get warm to start. Going to try some dynamic moves that are new to me. Let's just be curious, have some fun. Let's go side to side. Just get warmed up for the first minute or so here. Heat up the body. Get everything ready to go so that we can increase our mobility. Mobility really is freedom. The more mobile, just get around, bend over, do just normal daily activities with ease, strength. Makes life so much more worth living. Those aches and pains, sore lower back, make us feel like an old person. No way, Jose. Here we go. Just go in and out. Just simple moves to get comfortable on a rebounder. It's warm. I'm going to try some things I've never done just to see how a mobility routine might look like on the rebounder. Forward and back. Every one of these, if you're engaging your core, you can focus right on that. You're going to build incredible core stability. It's going to help us with our balance, avoid slips and falls. Ooh. Okay, cross. Ooh, that's a trickier one too. Let's get the arms going. Oh, get them heated up as well. Connect to your breath with every movement. Bring real presence. Everything we do today. That's the real key. Be here now. Ooh, yeah. All right. Are we warm? We're warm. All right. Let's get into it. Just a gentle bounce with some nice arm circles going forward at first, building great mobility in the upper back and the shoulders, trying to incorporate a bounce with everything we do. So you can feel it in the obliques, in the abdominals as well as we build this amazing mobility today. Let's go backwards with the arm circles. Just nice, easy bounce. You can do whatever you like with the lower half at times. You want to go in and out? Yeah. All right, do it. You want to bounce up and down? Just keep the feet together. Ooh, that adds another dynamic element. You decide. Be adventuresome. Just curiosity's going to win the day today. Ooh, feel that in the shoulders? Me too. All right, shake it out. Okay, we're going to go side reach with just a little bounce, wide feet. With the bouncing, not like a regular, if we're just going like this, pretty, standard. We've all done this, easy. You're welcome to do this. But if we can find a bit of a rhythm with a tiny bounce, just adding another element, more dynamic of a workout. The coordination it takes, I don't know about you, I really have to think about it. Maybe that's just me. We can pick up the pace. Really want to build the mobility in our shoulders, upper back. We get staring at our phones, our screens. This can be very useful to counterbalance that. Okay. That was a weirder one for sure. We'll see in time. Okay. I'm going to go knee lift with an ankle roll. So if you have the bar, use it. Reversing my ankle. I want to build mobility in the ankle. We're going to go the other side. So that's sort of the idea. Can I do it with a bit of a bounce? So clockwise, twist, turning your foot, and then counterclockwise, rotating the ankle. I'm building mobility in my hips by bouncing here. Mobility in the ankles by turning it. Clearly balance and strength, but hey, this is here for us. It's still a great maneuver if we're holding on. Let's go other side. But maybe you come off for a moment. Just move that ankle in all different ways. Try to stay in the middle of the rebounder. Do as I say, not as I do on this one. I am trying. Oh yeah, great ankle mobility. Oh. Let's just bounce for a moment. Let me collect myself. As I said, we're trying new things today. We gotta be curious with this amazing apparatus. What can we do? Whew. Okay, something a little simpler. That's just a nice twist. Great mobility in the spine. Let's take this for a minute or so. Get a great rotation. Just feel, be so present, aware of everything. Beauty, simplicity. Whew. All right. Up and down for a sec. Now, we're going to go a heel tap with arms up. So we're stretching out the hamstrings, building again great mobility in the upper back and the spine. As we go, I'm going to try to incorporate a little bit more bounce. Oh, there we go. This is a nice one. We're going to have some successful movements today and some others that we're clearly going to need to work on. Get that leg out as far as you can. Ooh, yeah. Get that bounce in there. Oh, this is great. And 3, 2, 1. Movement is amazing. Gotta be that appreciative for the ones I mess up. That's the real key. Gratitude for the challenges when we're facing it. Okay, now this one, I want to do a traditional standing cat-cow, right? Building incredible mobility throughout the spine. So, how am I going to do that with a bit of a bounce? Forward and back. All right, here's that one where I need to be grateful for the challenge. Just work with me. Do your best. Forward and back. So we got to go a little quicker. If I could slow it down. Oh, I can, of course. It could be here. Just focused on that. It's brilliant. But I'm on the rebounder. I want to use it. So pumping the legs a bit. And yes, moving that spine. Ooh. Can I do it? No, I don't think I need the arms right now to bounce. Okay. And All right. Ooh, that's just big arm circles and bounce. The bouncing cat-cow was maybe a bit of a fail. No failures, right? We just produce a result, something to work on. We're still getting great mobility in the upper back. Ooh. So we can become rebounding masters backwards with the arms flying through the air. Whew. Okay, we're gonna bounce. See how we do with this one. We're gonna make figure eights with our arms, with both arms. Making a figure eight, removing our shoulders in all different dynamic ways when we do this figure eight as we continue to bounce. This feels very unique. Oh, amazing strength we're building in the shoulders as we get that mobility in the upper back. Just that figure eight, using, we're growing the brain here, I assure you. Doing hard things. Maybe it isn't hard for you. But for me, my brain is growing exponentially right now. This is tricky. Oh, keep it going. Yes. Oh, shake that out. Oh, I could feel that in the shoulders. That was brilliant. Figure eight with the arm. Nice one. Oh, okay. We're going to work the obliques. Going to bounce. So normally I would just sort of side bend. Arm could come up. Great for the building core strength, especially in the obliques. But I want to bounce. I'm just going to come to the side and bounce a few times while I'm reaching down. And the other side, feel it in the side body. Come overhead. Other side. Ooh. Yes. One more. And okay. Ooh, feel that in the lower back, the side. Brilliant maneuver. A little unorthodox. We're getting there. We are getting there. One leg. Okay. So my move would normally be like this. I love this maneuver, building strength, balance, amazing mobility in the hip. Can I bounce and do it? We're going to find out. You can do it just standing. Use the bar too, if you need to. Come on. This is wicked. Oh, amazing stability we're building. Don't worry if you fall. Clearly you can see I'm going down with virtually everyone. A couple more. Oh, shake it out a bit. Other side. So I would be like this. And this, as challenging as that was, that's my better side. Engage your core. Arms up can be helpful. Yes, get it up there. You got this. Use the bar if you need to. Yeah, one more. Okay, let's slow it down. Finish off for the day. Just bounce and just a gentle shoulder roll. All right, we had a few successes, a few not yets. I like that idea. Oh, when I hear kids, school, I'm not good at this, I'm not good at that, I'm not good yet. What difference does that make? Let's go forward with the shoulder rolls. Whew. So there's some maneuvers there. that I am definitely not good at yet. We'll do this again. Whew. Whew. A couple more. Real gentle bounce and really shake it out. Let those arms come down. Feel it in the upper spine. The shoulders just, That was amazing. Well done. Thank you for showing up. Comment, job done, share your progress. And let's do this again tomorrow. We'll push ourselves even further. Goodbye for now.